what kind of things can you create that's outside the combinatorial space of chemistry? That's what I'm trying to understand.
If it's not chemical. So I think some of the things that have evolved on our biosphere, I would call as much alive as chemistry, as a cell, but they seem much more abstract. So, for example, I think language is alive. I think, or at least life. I think memes are. I think.
You're saying language is life.
Yes.
Language is alive. Oh boy, I'm gonna have to explore that one. Okay, but
life maybe not alive, but I actually don't know where I stand exactly on that. I've been thinking about that a little bit more lately, but mathematics too. And it's interesting because people think that math has this platonic reality that exists outside of our universe. And I think it's a feature of our biosphere, and it's telling us something about the structure of ourselves. And I find that really interesting because when you would sort of internalize all of these things that we notice about the world and you start asking, well, what do these look like if I was, something outside of myself observing these systems that we're all embedded in, what would that structure look like? And I think we look really different than the way that we talk about what we look like to each other.
What do you think a living organism in math is? Is it one axiomatic system, or is it individual theorems, or is it...
I think it's the fact that it's open-ended in some sense. It's another open-ended combinatorial space, and the recursive properties of it allow creativity to happen, which is what you see with, like the revolution in the last century with Gödel's theorem and Turing. And, there's clear places where mathematics notices holes in the universe.
So it seems like you're sneaking up a different kind of definition of life. Open-ended, large combinatorial space.
Yeah.
Room for creativity.
Definitely not chemical. I mean, chemistry is one substrate.
To chemical.
Yeah.
Chemical.